So, can the Toyota RAV4 drive itself like a Tesla on the highway, where it's going to steer by itself, where it's going to stick it to its lane? Guys, in this video, I'm going to show you exactly that, all right? So, this is how you get your Toyota RAV4 to drive itself, all right? Yeah, it's a little bit noisy. So, first and foremost, when you're on your highway, and then you get the speed that you want, the first thing that you want to set is the cruise control. You put the cruise control on, and then now you set the lane assist as well. So now it's on and it's driving itself. Like literally, it's literally, my hands are here, it's literally driving itself. Okay, I think every 1 minute or 2 minutes you have to like touch the the pedal to let it know that you're still here. And the part that is actually more impressive is when it's taking the turns, like when it's turning, like when it's taking the turns. That is the part that is very, very impressive. So like now you just lift it. I think every 1 minute or something you have to like let it know that you're not asleep or something, which is annoying. I feel like the car can do everything it has to do. And also we've set the distance between us and then the next car. Like the distance has already been set, so it's not going to go past that distance. You get what I mean? And it's steering. It's really steering. Like it's no joke, it's really steering. It's centered in the middle. I want us to get to a place where it's actually like going to like take the turns and things like that, because this thing is so impressive. Like literally, like on highways, if let's say you're tired and let's say you're sleepy, you can just set this and leave it. Like I'm not pressing any brakes. I'm not pressing any brakes. I'm not accelerating. My legs are like off the pedals, and it's just literally doing this thing. It's just like centering itself into the middle, and that's it. Every 1 minute or 2 minutes, I don't know, whatever it is, you just have to adjust it. And I've set the speed, and I've just left the speed. Oh, I don't know why there's no turn, but I'm just waiting for a place where there's a turn. If you look ahead, you can tell the well, I'm not gonna lie, it's really hard to trust in the beginning, because it's like it feels like it's veering over to the left. That's what it feels like. It feels like it's veering over to the left a lot. That's what it feels like. Okay, so now you see it turned itself by itself to this way, and then it's just staying in the middle like that. My goodness, this is so cool though. This is so cool. This is so freaking cool. Like, you can leave it to, and this is not just cruise control, it's actually lane assist. So meaning it's literally in the middle of the lane. I'm just hoping there might be maybe like a turn or something ahead of us, so it can demonstrate that for us. But it's just so cool. It's just such a cool feature. You can just relax, and it's just gonna be in, And that's one reason why I got this RAV4 over the previous models, And also because it's really expensive. Like the old ones are like still very expensive. So I'm like, why wouldn't I just rather put some money down to, oh, I think I took it off. Oops. Okay, I brought it back down. Why wouldn't I rather put some money down to get the newer one? Because it comes with a lot of features, and it does all of these like cool things. You get it? So we had to have it set, so meaning it's not going to go past that car. So even if that car slows down, which I think it should do in a moment because it's like 50. So even if that car slows down, it's still going to slow down. So watch this. Automatically, it's slowing down. Automatically, it's slowing down because the car ahead of us has also slowed down. So automatically, it's slowing down the pace, and it's literally trying as much as possible not to go past, what it's supposed to do. So it's slowed down. If you notice, it actually slowed down a little bit. And okay, now guys, watch. It's going to turn. Watch this part. Watch this part. It's gonna, watch the steering. It's gonna veer a little bit. Watch it. Watch it do its thing. So it's driving on its own, it's turning on its own. There are cars coming. I'm not touching anything. It's literally doing all the work. The Toyota 2026 RAV4 is amazing. Shake it to make sure all the cars in front is still in the middle here. Not touching anything. It's keeping the lane from the guys in front. I'm not gonna lie, it's very, very hard to trust, you know, in the beginning. It's like I feel like it's gonna veer all over to the other side. It's so cool to be in, but it's so hard to trust. Like, it's still really I wonder how it's gonna drive during the winter though. I wonder how it's gonna drive during the winter. So like hands-free. All you have to do is remind it every now and then that you're not asleep by just shaking it. I think it's after every 1 minute, like that. So watch the steering wheel. It's gonna turn by itself. Oh my goodness, this is so hard to believe. It's gonna I'm tempted to touch it. Oh, it did a good job. It's so hard to believe, man. It's so freaking hard to believe. Like, it just makes driving on the highway really easy. Like, it makes driving on the highway so easy. Like, see how it's just, you know, maneuvering and like taking all the turns and everything for you. It makes driving so damn easy. Okay, now there are a couple of cars coming. There's a turn. Is it gonna turn? Is it gonna turn? Yep, it's gonna do all the turns for you. You just have to shake the steering a little bit. It's gonna do all the turns for you. And that's so cool. That is so cool, guys. That is so cool. Like, it's so cool to actually watch it do all of that by its own. Oh my goodness, that new car scent, I just can't get over it. That new car scent is just, yep. So every now and then you just shake it a little bit. Shake it a little bit to just remind it that, hey, I'm not asleep. Literally, that's all it is. This is so cool. The down part about this is it's gonna make me a lazy driver. That's what I don't like. It's gonna make me a lazy driver. That when let's say I'm in another car, now I'll be expecting the other car to do all these things, which is a problem. You know, it's just gonna make me a very lazy driver. So like this right now, oh my god, road trips never got better. Oh my goodness, watch this. It's gonna turn for you. It's gonna do all the turning for you. This is like a mini Tesla. My god, it feels like it's good. Oh my goodness, I'm so happy. I'm really happy with this purchase. I'm not gonna lie. I'm really happy with this purchase. Like, it's very impressive what it's done. Watch all these cars coming. Oh my goodness, I'm just tempted to touch it. But hey, it knows best and it's doing what it gotta do. It's doing all the turns and it's just staying in the middle. It's just staying in the middle, doing whatever it has to do. This is so cool. At the same time, it's just very interesting. Let's see what happens if you don't take control of the steering. Okay, now we've got to, now I want to take it manually now. Yeah, because the thing is, I don't want to rely too much on it, you know. So there you have it, guys. The Toyota literally drives itself. Like it's not a joke. Like, it literally drives itself. It does the turns and everything for you. I think it's a highway thing. I don't think it's like a city thing where it's like a Tesla where it can do like the full, you know, self-drive thing. I think it's more like a highway assist thing, which is really cool for the days where, let's say, you're very tired and you need to, you know, have a relaxation on it. I think that really helps. All right, guys, so I hope you subscribe. Like I told you, everything RAV4, everything country driving, this page is for you. Make sure you subscribe. I'm going to let you know all the things that I like about this car, the things that I don't like about this car, and yeah, pretty much that. All right, I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.